One of our important tradition or culture that I think is slowly fading is how we used to be so religious. Going to church every Sunday, doing other stuff like Limbon, Santa Cruzan, and also the rosary every time Mama Mary is visiting our house. Even Simbang Gabi, back then, we always complete the 9 nights because Filipino believe that when you complete the 9 nights of Simbang Gabi, you will you can make a wish and it would happen. But now during these days, we sometimes cannot attend Simbang Gabi because of other things that we choose to do. How I really wish to bring back the joy and the religiousness of our family to be remembered and relived. Thank you for listening.